Hello, and this is my first video ever in YouTube, and we're going to learn about how to get into Scratch, making an account, and the basics. First, simply type scratch.make.edu. Edu stands for education. You'll see a screen like this, and you will have these buttons. You can create projects, but you cannot save because you don't have an account. Now, I'm gonna teach you how to make an account. Joining Scratch. Press this button right here. Do these stuff. I'm just gonna type random ones. And you saw a red mark. That means it's not available. Next, I'm just gonna have a So, you just have to get through these steps and you'll receive an email. First, I'll sign into my account because I already have an account. This stands for messages. You'll probably have a number beside it because you just logged into your Scratch account. The first thing you want to do is click Create. And it says to enable Adobe Flash Player and allow so you can access the project. Here, this is what it should look like. There it says stage 1 backdrop and it says Sprite 1. What? It's a cat, not a Sprite 1 thing. So, better change that name to something you like, sorry I said like twice. This is what I'll do. And here, you want to click on the backdrops and click backdrops because obviously you don't want just this plain white background. So it makes you create art. You see this button right here? That means it's brush. You can choose the thickness of the brush, I'll go with this, and the color of the brush. You can draw things, scribble, and make straight lines, which is hard, but not hard in Scratch. Because Scratch lets you actually to give you straight lines. See? And probably by now you'll want to change colors because you have to find the difference between scribbles and straight lines. How about geometric shapes? Of course there are geometric shapes, like rectangles, circles, colored rectangles, and colored circles. The cool thing is you can add text, simplify, simply by just clicking somewhere and typing hello or whatever you want. If you want to if you want to try moving the text around, you see this button here? It says convert to vector. Click it. Click the first button you see. Select the text. No. No. Mm, mm. Let's try to make the text around this glass. Okay, fine. And you might want to fill in some, but it's not hard. Trust me, it's not hard at all. Simply click the fill button, fill in a way you like, choose a color. Wow, easy. Oh, sorry. And it lets you color the background, but remember to fill in the text inside. It doesn't make any noise. Just the noise of the color. Okay, nice background, right? But there's nothing more better than just getting a backdrop from a library, which are really nice. With graffiti. Remember, you can still do art. You can still do art too, but I prefer not. Here. Now, let's try to make the cat move. So click on scripts. Go on events. Press and drag the when we flag print. Go back to motion. Drag this button right under. You can attach it here. And you can customize a number you want. But don't make it too large, or else it'll go off screen. Like this. Actually, it doesn't let you move so much. See? First, actually it was in the center, which is x0, y0. Now, move once, that means move it to the right once. But, like, this is close to 10 million, but if you look at the coordinates, it only lets you go to 271. If you put 1 here, doesn't work. 271 is the max. You can also make it go backwards by putting a negative sign. So, right in the center again. And you can also turn them and make pauses in between. Remember, you can customize all numbers. Well, not all, but some, which has like these ones. And if you want to repeat this 10 times, instead of just hand copying like all of them You can simply just duplicate these or even just repeat it. But you might want to put this. Wait, that's it, because then it's gonna turn 20 degrees and move negative 271 steps right away. And you don't want to do negative 271, of course. I'll go with 30. Let's make it go backwards too. And this, I can say it's the basic code for making the game. Let's try what it will look like. Okay, saw it. Now you can always click the red octagon to stop. But there's no music. Oh, of course you can put music. Go to the sounds bar and click use sound from library. I'll go with hi-hat symbol. And you can play some hit sample so many times. I'll make a suggestion. Doing like me is not a good idea because then it'll keep playing the sound and it'll become blurry and bad. Well, not really. But do you want the cat to be like all the way down here? No, of course. Scratch lets you go to a specific spot. As I mentioned earlier, x0, y0 is the center. Let's try. Oh! And do you want this upside down? No. So, let's try. It says point to direction 90 degrees. Point to direction 90 degrees means looking this way. So, now let's try the new code. Quite nice, right? Kinda funny. Now one last thing I'll tell you. You can make the whole thing stop so it doesn't go too crazy. So if I run this again, and it'll turn off everything. And lastly, you can change the name to what you want. I'll say cat music. And that's pretty much today. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe. Bye bye.